So now we'll discuss about the land as a resource. So let's start this very important topic, and it also comes in board examination, so you have to pay proper attention. So land as a resource, first of all, here I will write here land as a resource. Okay. Everyone, you all know that land is very important resource, because all the things, whether it is commercial things or residential things or market activities or non-market activities, everything is taking place on the land only, है ना? That is why land is very important resource. But you must know that land is finite, means the particular area of the land is finite only, it is not infinite. Okay, so the land availability is finite. And suppose if you talk about entire world, so only 29% area of the world is covered with land, and remaining 71% is covered with water, है ना? So 71% part of the water is land. Sorry, 71% is water, and 29% is land. Okay. Now one very interesting factor here is 90% of the world population lives in just 5% of the land. That is very interesting factor. That is 90% of the world's population lives in just 5% of the land, है ना? 5% of the land, 5% of the land. Okay, which is very less, है ना? 90% of the world population is living in just 5% of the land. So this is about the resources in introduction. That is, it is finite resource, है ना? The quantity is limited, and the second one is just 29% of the land, 29% of the world is covered with that is land. Okay, and apart from that, 90% of the world population lives in just 5% of the land. So these are some introduction. Now apart from that, if you see out of this 29% land, what are the other things? So here we have out of this 29% land, you can further classify into three parts. The first one you can say that is plain area. Now the next one you can take, that is mountain, and the next you can take, that is plateau, है ना? So plain, you all know plain structure is like that. This is the plain. Okay, mountain is having great height and slopy gradients. Now plateau is table land. Plateau is what? Table land. This is the plateau. So I hope till here picture is clear. So what percent of this land is plain? So plain is consisting 30% of the total land, है ना? Sorry, plain is consisting 43% of the total land. Now mountain is consisting 30%. Mountain is consisting 30%, and this plateau is consisting 27%. Understood? So 43 plus 30 is equal to 73 plus 27, 100%. Fine. So plain is 43%, plateau is mountain is 30%, and plateau is 27%. Plain is best used for the residential purpose, है ना? Mountain is best for the rivers as well as the forest and all, and the plateau is best for the minerals. Okay, so these are the things that is very important, and all together these are called as topography, है ना? So topography basically is the structure of the earth. So topography also plays very important role, that how you will use the land. Okay, so this I just want to tell you that land use pattern depends on what factors, है ना? So land use thing depend on following factors. Land use pattern depends on following factors. So basically we have two factors. The first one is human factor, है ना? Human factor. In human factor, what can be there? That is density of the population. Okay, what is the density of the population? What are their technological knowledge, है ना? As well as what are their cultural activities. Culture you can write basically. So the culture, technology, density, this all play a very important role, that what will be the use of land, है ना? So this is something which is very important. Now apart from that, the physical Okay, physical thing will be also very, see, human and natural. So in natural, you can include such as this topography, what I was telling to you, है ना, topography, okay. Then quality of land, that whether it is fertile or unfertile, quality of land, है ना. Apart from that, topography, quality of land, one more very important thing is there, which is which is called as, see, so far we have seen human density, technology, culture, and here in the natural we have the topography. Topography means, I said that plain, mountain and plateau, and apart from that we have the quality of land, that is whether it is fertile or unfertile land. And with this, now one more very important factor is there, which is coming under the natural one, that is climate. Okay, climate is also very very important, that whether it is hot climate or the or the moist climate. This is something which is very very important here. So human factor and natural factor affect what will be the use of land, how culture is affecting. So suppose if culture of the society is agriculture prone culture, so that particular society will use the land for agriculture purpose basically. But if the culture or the society needs industries, so that land will be used for industry purpose. So basically culture is related to society, what society wants, है ना. So I hope till here picture is clear to all of you. Now the next very important part we will discuss, that what are the what are the uses of land, है ना. So this we will see. So after rubbing the board now, I'll explain to you what are the uses of land.